Hey everyone! Day 16 of 2 weeks of techniques, Encore. So I'm going to go ahead and spray my cup with the WD-40 silicone spray. And today we're doing a sandwich pour. So what we're going to do is put quite a bit of white in the bottom of this cup. I'd say at least an inch or so. We have to have enough paint to cover this canvas. So what we're going to do is we're going to sandwich pour with white. So we're going to add, and I'm going to try to layer this. We're going to add Naples yellow. Premier purple red. And this is my Grumbacher Prussian blue mixed with Artist Loft iridescent medium. Gives it a nice shimmer. And we'll use some Lucas Permanent Violet. So we're trying to keep that color above the white. So now what we'll do is top this with white and hope it doesn't sink. So I'm not putting any force on this. So what we've done is we sandwiched those colors between white. So now we're just going to flip that cup. And we'll wait patiently for that all to fall. And it doesn't take long because we use the WD-40. All those colors do have silicone, by the way, including the white. So now I'm just going to flip this. We should get some pretty lacing from the white as well. We have a ton of cells. I love the purple red with that Naples yellow. It's so pretty. So let me just get a quick torch, just get some air bubbles out. And we're going to start tilting. I'm afraid we might lose all our purple and blue. But we can move that white down. So let's see when we torch what's going to come up through that white. I am going to move it down just a little bit. So it's looking kind of cool right now. So this is kind of like a reverse swipe, except you'll get more webbing with this because of the sandwiching the white between, or the white at the top of each color. Letting those cells come up. Okay, we're going to let this sit for 10 minutes and I'll be right back. And I'm back. Not much has changed. We did get a few more cells. I was just thinking maybe if I tilt it a little bit more, we can get rid of just a little more of that white. And that'll help bring up some more cells as it's setting. But that's where we're at. I think it's pretty cool. with that webbing in there is really neat. So I'm going to leave that one right there and let it develop on its own. And I'll show this one on a Monday Night Live. So if you haven't subscribed yet, click below and click on that bell. You'll get notifications when I upload the next video. Click like and share and leave a comment. Join our group on Facebook, the Parage Posse. Check out my Facebook page, Christina Welch Art. We do post what's going on with the channel there. Also, our post office box is below the address if you want to send a gadget for Alan to play with on a Monday Night Live or on his channel. We have a blast with those things. And thank you so much for everybody who's been sending gadgets. He's been having a good time. Shop with us on Amazon for all your paint pouring supplies. If you're interested in any of our paintings, they're on Etsy. And we also do auctions every month. And we started doing them on Monday nights too. We do 5 paintings on Monday nights. And every Monday night at 9 p.m. Eastern Time, we are live on this channel. And we do pours and answer questions and have a good time. So join us. Thanks so much for watching, guys. And we'll see you on the next technique tomorrow. Have a great night. Bye-bye.